Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're subscribed, you've seen the value come together. You saw the pit bike come together. So far, everything's turned out pretty good. You've heard me talk about it. We've got the 97 Recon in the shop. It's Alright guys, we figured what better way to wrap up the Recon project instead of having it done completely clean and show ready. Let's go out and use it. We used this one, as you can see. We definitely got this thing dirty, got it muddy, and it worked flawlessly. So my boy's got a matching helmet for it. We went ahead and painted that, tried to match the wheels, got the wrap on there as well. So my man's got his own camera mount. But as you can see, it did pretty darn well. How you liking your bike there, Ty?
It's awesome.
Awesome. What all did we do to it? Just to recap.
Well, we destroyed it.
We destroyed it. Did it work good?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. So we got our flame grips. You guys saw the rock lights. So LED tinted tail light. Did the wrap on it. Went through the tie rods in the front end, which is a lot tighter. Got our spike. Can't even tell I painted the wheels now. They're so muddy. Alright guys, I hope you like the Recon project. So we hopefully have another bike coming up soon. It's a little bit smaller, but something we're just going to fix up and kind of keep as a runabout. So, but the Recon turned out great. Son's happy with it. That's all that matters. So he loves it. So that it really and truly, you can't ask for anything better. This guy right here loves it. So, alright Ty, what do you tell the viewers?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, like, subscribe, tell your friends. So keep watching. We've got, you can recap the whole Recon build, go through the Bayou build. We got more projects coming up. So enjoy, guys. We will catch you on the next one.